Lighting is a professional manufacturer of solar street lighting solutions. Guohui holds dual industry qualifications, recognized as a national high-tech enterprise and a specialized and innovative enterprise. Provide end-to-end solar street lighting solutions. We are guided by a customer-centric and quality-driven philosophy. 16 years of growth driven by innovation. We provide high-quality solar street lights to customers worldwide. Our products are eco-friendly, energy-saving, safe, and patented design. Guohui is certified under the LSO 9001 quality management system. All products are certified and tested, meeting global standards for quality and safety. Our team of professionals brings extensive experience to every project, providing one-stop, full-cycle support for your projects. We are renowned for quick response and thoughtful service. We have obtained 142 patents with independent intellectual property rights. We have a team of 12 experienced engineers. They have an average of 10 years of experience in LED lighting technology. All products are independently designed and developed. 2026 latest innovation, LKX series, easy to replace components, tailored for project excellence, smart solar lighting solutions, Internet of Things, 4G monitoring, and AI management system. Smart dual CCT switching. Guohui has a 12,000 square meters modern workshop and 185 professional workers. Annual production reaches 350,000 units. SMD pick and place machines, automatic screw machines, high-performance battery cells in production, insulation sticker capacity sorting machine, laser welding machines, laminating machine. Quality comes first in everything we make. Every step is strictly inspected. Brand new lithium life PO4 battery cell sampling inspection, voltage, resistance, capacity, and short circuit protection. High and low temperature tests. Charge and discharge aging. Power tests, EL tests, salt spray tests, lead conductivity, daylight auto-off test, sensor tests, spectrometer, laser marking machines, roller conveyor line, carefully packaged to ensure every product arrives in perfect condition. Strong production capacity ensures fast delivery. We meet customer needs quickly and with high quality. Products are sold in 76 countries and regions worldwide. Together with global partners, we light every corner of the world with green energy.